Jordan's Airness iconic sneaker line has been the main focus of Jordan Brand's 40th anniversary celebration, although several new color schemes for more contemporary designs, such as the Jordan Spizike Low, have also been included. The two recently appeared in a Cobalt Bliss and Rosa glow outfit that was only available to big kids, a novel interpretation of Spike Lee's 2006 hybrid design. The top of the pair is primarily made of the former color, and the pink color complements the elephant print and branding components on the tongue and spine, which are reminiscent of the Air Jordan 3. While the outsole returns to a blue that evokes the sky, the Nike Air-assisted midsole breaks up the two-tone potpourri with a colorless finish. A mosaic Jumpman sticker is included with the sneaker, enabling users to personalize their own style. Meanwhile, have a look at the big kids official photographs. SRP is $120.